I hope the lighting's good enough to do this video. What I'm going to do is, this is 91 Toyota pickup truck. I'm going to remove this bed liner here, and because this is a pickup I got, and it's probably got a lot of dirt underneath there over the years. And so I figured I'd make a video in case somebody wants to do this. So it looks like it's just held in with these Phillips screws here. They got a flathead washer on there, and all I'm going to do is take a drill. It's actually an impact driver, but I'm going to try to squeeze it really gently to remove these screws here. And they're just around on the top there. And so I'm just going to go around and take all of them out. And that should just allow the bed liner to lift out. But here we go, give it a try there. I'm not going to make you watch me use a screwdriver there. But just going to take that out. Okay, quick update. I went through and I loosened the screws on this side. But it doesn't, well, I almost took that one all the way out. No need to take it all the way out, I believe. It's got like a tab thing that kind of, so it might be a little tricky to put back on actually, but it feels like you hold this in place and put the screw in, and this metal tab right there seems to be what holds it against the lip of the truck. So, and this is one continuous piece, so I'm going to do that side there and see if I can get it out. Okay, so I kind of got it loose here. From the back you can see it's got like these tab things. I think they go up like that to reattach them. I'm not quite sure yet. So I just kept jiggling it around till I got it loose. You can see on this side, oh sorry, the focus is messing all up. You know, I think it's because it's getting late and it's having hard time with the light. See, that one's got a hole next to it. That one's got a hole next to it, but the front here, you know, it's just like in there. Let's see if I can get it to focus on the other side there. It's not gonna play. Oh, there it is. So that one there, see, it's just kind of out there in the middle. It seems like it should be next to that other hole, but I don't know. I'm assuming, I don't know. It says Toyota, so they may have done this from the factory. But I've got it all the way loose, and I don't know what that used to go in, if it used to have a little tab, where'd it go, tab on it, like this one does, or not, and it is like way dirty down there, so it's a good thing I'm doing this. So I think I got to take that one out all the way, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so I got working on getting it out here, and as you can see, those deals, and again, I think it goes up like this. I don't even know. We'll figure it out when it comes time to put it back in. Maybe that'll be another video how to put it back in. But as you can see on this one, it did have a piece on that side, so it probably fell off inside on the other side. And I just picked it up, and boy, it is dirty down there. So that's why I'm doing this. Clean all that out. Make sure it's not all rusty. Hopefully I won't find anything weird down there. Alright, it's pretty much a wrap there. Got it all out, and it was pretty straightforward. These D-rings are really helpful. Anyways, got a lot of cleaning to do back here, and I'm going to clean this up too. But you know, you just lift it over the wheel welds and gently work with it, and it comes out. So if you ever need to know how to take off one of these, hopefully this video will help you out. And I think I'm just going to wrap it up from here. Anyways, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. If this video helped you out, maybe give me a thumbs up. If you subscribe, you'll see more videos as they come out. Thank you for watching.